Hey everyone, this is a little bit of a different video, but it may be more beneficial to a lot of you than you might think. So if you're noticing that it's very hard to find your Manimations folder after you downloaded it, so right, you did all the steps here, and notice this part right here. This part is changing your directory to Manimations, and it basically creates a folder. And you might have some struggle when you're selecting your interpreter. That, right? If you enter your interpreter path and things like that, it's really hard to find. And, it's sometimes like if you see the video, a great video by Thalmak, THAO, this guy, who made a great little video on this. In this step here, what happens here is there's a part here where you see how he just goes directly to his interpreter as user's dog. Well, if you don't see that, if you go to Windows and let's say users, this is not my name, but it's a sample. So like you're right, you might not see it all at all here. What I would also check then would be go to this PC, right? Go to this PC, go to Windows, and go to Windows here. There's a Windows folder here. Then go to System 32, okay? This, System 32, and in here, you will find your Manimations folder. Very, very nice. So let me just highlight that. It's right there. Hopefully you guys can see this right here. And so when you select your interpreter, you can do it like this, and you will see your .env, your scripts, and you will select Python as your interpreter, and you're good to go. Also, make sure to actually listen to his advice, even though he didn't. And when you go to this step where you're installing Manim locally, when you're doing this step right here, make sure you do it one by one. It is so much safer, so much easier. Okay, it's much easier. And before doing this command, when you download your latex, after it's done, what you want to do is update everything. There's going to be an option or something to update everything. Okay, or just follow his steps on how to update it. Once you do that, you can finally check that indeed we have Manim installed, and you can start working. So there you have it, guys. Just something I hope you guys may have some benefit. This is just a little video. Yeah, hopefully that fixed a little bit of your problems. And yeah, in worst case scenario, if you kind of feel like you've done a lot of things that weren't necessary, you did some commands, you're kind of well, I kind of exited out or restarted or things like that. The best case scenario, guys, is to go to your file explorer, go to this PC, search Python, search Manim, search VS Code, literally delete every single possible ounce of trace of any of these programs. Then go to ChatGPT and search, okay, what more do I need to do? Then you go to your PowerShell and make sure if you type in Python, if you type in Manim, like just literally like that, and it doesn't recognize it, then you're good to go. But make sure you literally go to this PC and delete everything and restart clean, okay? Restarting clean is the best thing you can do. It's the best, easiest fix, and it will guarantee a fix, okay? So hopefully this video helped you out.